Hi, this is Marty from Dougherty Garden. There's the air conditioner going in the background. It's a little warm today, cloudy. We had the serious thunderstorms for the last 48 hours on and off. Scaring the hell out of the dog. Actually, had the dog didn't sleep last night. Was trying to hang out in our bedroom. Well, anyway, getting back to our little palm of the day is the bottle palm. As you can see, these are the seeds from last year. Now, I'm assuming that they're bottle palms, just looking at the structure of the leaves and everything else. But those were the seeds that I had last year, and I potted them up and I started labeling bottle palms. Now, these are the seeds from this year, which is one of many I have. Actually, another 5-quart pot stuffed with about an inch and a half of bottle palm seeds. So I'm going to put those, not going to put them, they're already in the back by the area, so we'll just check them out over time to see how's progress. One of these days, I got time and energy permitting to document the 30, 60, and 90 days. A lot of people follow up. Crazy, I found palm seeds in my garden from a year or two old that germinated, so I don't know which ones they are until they actually go full blown. But anyway, here's the bottle palm. Let me just show you mother. Here's mama, the bottle palm, looking for seed pods, and there's a big, large green leaf which I'm going to pull out and donate to the Green Society. And get back to the bottle palms. Hyophorbe Verschaffeltii. For all you Latin out there, do a voiceover and say what the hell it is in your terms. I'm just going by just trying to read it wrong, which sometimes everything is wrong. Well, anyway, these were all gifts from Ruth's Palm Tree Sanctuary Garden, tropical farm, tropical garden. That's what she has, and most of the stuff like that came from Ruth's place. So, thank you, Ruth. All right, this is Marty. Please like the video. Say a little few comments, anything. We're all open ears. We're all learning about gardening. Other ones are posing and getting all their goodies, or I'm just posing with the friends. If you want to see my pretty face, go look me up on Facebook. Mark Dougherty. Thank you. Bye-bye.